Hey boss ladies, and welcome to my new channel, Miss Event Planner, a channel dedicated to inspiring the party planner in you and those who wish to make it their career. If you have followed me over here from my main channel, The Makeover Mom, thank you so much. I truly appreciate you guys, and welcome to Miss Event Planner. This channel was created not only to inspire you to celebrate, but also to teach you how to start your own event planning business. My name is Taylor, and I own a children's event planning and entertainment business in sunny California that I started when I was 23 while still in college with a husband and 2 kids. I had very little money, very little support, but in under a year I was able to go from novice to most sought after company in my niche, in my market. And despite what seems like a quick success, I learned everything from my experiences, trial and error, and many mistakes. So if any of that sounds great to you, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn from my experiences and not make the same mistakes I did, so you can learn how to turn your parties and your passion into your paycheck.